Meaning of filly.
filly,
Filly.
Filly,
Filly. Filly refers to a young female horse, typically one that is under 4 years old. They are known for their spunky and energetic personalities, often displaying curiosity and playfulness. Fillies' physical characteristics are similar to those of a mare or an adult female horse, except they are smaller in size. They begin training around 2 years old and can go on to become successful racehorses or riding horses. Overall, fillies are beloved by many for their lively spirit and potential for greatness in the world of equestrian sports.